No doubt, our nature and environment plays a vital role in shaping our life. We are deeply interconnected with the natural world around us. Is it not a good topic, one which I'm going to express my feelings today? Hi, I'm Ayan. Welcome to my new video. So let's start our today's topic. Maybe it is a hot topic in our modern world. Firstly, our survival and well-being depended on the resources provided by nature. The air we breathe, the water we drink, the food we eat, and the materials we use for shelter and clothing all come from the natural environment. Our basic needs are fulfilled through natural resources like crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, flowers, and almost everything that exists in nature. Secondly, our mental and emotional well-being is closely linked to nature. Studies have shown that spending time in nature can reduce stress, improve mood, enhance overall happiness. The beauty and tranquility of the natural landscape have a soothing effect on our minds, helping us to relax and rejuvenate. Our action and lifestyle and some other activities have a direct impact on the environment. We consume resources from nature, we always produce waste, damage nature, destroy forests, and contribute to pollution. By using various sorts of vehicles, factories, and building inhabitants, which directly affects our environment and ecosystem. Environmental degradation such as deforestation, pollution, and climate change can have far-reaching consequences for both the natural world and human life. Our indigenous societies and many indigenous cultures have strong connection to the land and consider themselves as caretakers of the environment. Nature serves as a source of inspiration, creativity, and identity for various communities around the world. For sustainable living, we should recognize and have connection with nature. It is important to minimize harm to the environment and make people aware of conservation. This includes awareness for cleaning and reducing waste, plastic consumption, conserving water, and protecting wildlife habitats and tree plantation to increase forest area. By understanding and recognizing and respecting our relationship with nature, we can ensure a harmonious coexistence as we should strive for a more sustainable and resilient future for both ourselves and the planet. Nature is a vast and interconnected system that encompasses various elements. The things that we take into consideration as nature. Let's discuss here some of them. Biodiversity. The wide array of plant and animal species including insects, mammals, birds, reptiles, amphibians, plants, and microorganisms all playing various roles in their respective ecosystem. Almost all sorts of wild animals and domestic animals are valuable parts of our nature. Number 2. Ecosystem. Interactions between living organisms to the environment is called ecosystem. The interaction between living organism and the physical environment collectively form what is known as an ecosystem. The diverse habitats such as forest, wetland, grassland, desert, mountain, coral reefs, and ocean, which support different forms of life and provide crucial ecosystem services. Landscape. Landscape means visible feature of an area of land including natural elements such as mountain, valleys, rivers, and vegetation, as well as human-made elements such as buildings and infrastructure. Landscape can be studied and appreciated for their acoustic qualities, environmental significance, and historical and cultural connectivity. Forest is really a part of our environment. Trees, plants, grasses, moss, and some other organisms are contributing to carbon sequestration and climate regulation. On the other hand, they provide us numerous resources for human use, ocean and marine environments. Large bodies of saltwater that cover more than 70% of the Earth's surface. The ocean is vital for maintaining the delicate balance of our ecosystem and ensuring the well-being of both marine life and human societies. Diverse marine life, including fish, coral whales, dolphins, turtles, and so much more. On the other hand, coral reefs, kelp, forests, and mangroves. Freshwater system, rivers, lakes, ponds, streams, and wetlands that provide essential source of drinking water, habitat for aquatic animals and plants, and regulate water cycle. Each of us need to be aware enough to conserve fresh water, and we shouldn't pollute that fresh water that is reserved by our world. Wild and domestic animals, birds, and all other living beings are fully dependent on that fresh water. Minerals, organic matter, air, and living organisms support plant growth and produce essential nutrients for agriculture, and agricultural production is very much essential for human life. Climate means long-term patterns of temperature, precipitation, wind, and other atmospheric conditions in a region that affect life in various ways. Understanding the climate situation for and adapting to climate conditions is crucial for sustainable development, and we can ensure the well-being of individuals and communities. By mitigating climate change and promoting responsible activities, we can protect natural resources, and we can reduce climate impacts and create a more prosperous future for all. Air and atmosphere. Air is the mixture of gases that make up the Earth's atmosphere. It consists mainly of nitrogen, oxygen, and small percentage of other gases like carbon dioxide, neon, and helium. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds the Earth and is held in place by gravity. The atmosphere serves many important functions for life on Earth. It helps regulate the planet's temperature, protects us from harmful radiation from the sun, and plays a crucial role in the water cycle by carrying and distributing moisture around the planet. Number 10. Natural resources. The materials, fossil fuels, clean air, fresh water, timber, medicines, and renewable energy sources like sunlight and wind that are our best natural resources. All of these work together in harmony, creating a dynamic and interconnected life, which is vital to maintaining the health and balance of our planet. It is important to manage and conserve these natural resources responsibly to ensure their sustainability for future generations. What is natural environment? A natural environment is an environment that is not man-made. It has both living and non-living things in it, and all of them work naturally. Let's take a look at some of the natural environments so you have a better understanding. Like in a park. Like this is a park and here is a natural environment. Birds are singing song calling. The natural environments refer to the combination of all living and non-living things occurring naturally, not as a result of human activity. It encompasses the Earth's biosphere with its various ecosystems such as forests, deserts, wetlands, oceans, and grassland, as well as interaction between living organisms and their physical surroundings. The natural environment includes elements like air, water, soil, sunlight, and climate, along with the diverse plant and animal species that make up the ecosystem. This complex interconnected system that provides essential resources for life on Earth, regulates the climate cycle, nutrients, and offers habitat for a wide array of species. The natural environment is also a source of inspiration, beauty, and recreational opportunities for people. Preserving and protecting the natural environment is crucial for maintaining biodiversity, ensuring ecosystem stability, and sustaining life on the planet. Human activities such as industrialization, urbanization, and pollution have had significant impacts on the natural environment, making conservation efforts and sustainable practices increasingly important for the well-being of both present and future generations. Let's take a look at the built environment. The built environment is an environment that is man-made. There are physical infrastructures and spaces in which we live, work, and interact. This includes buildings, roads, bridges, parks, public spaces, transportation system, and other constructed features. The built environment is constructed with specific purposes in mind, such as providing shelter, transportation infrastructure, commercial areas, and recreational spaces. Obviously, it is a reflection of human ingenuity, cultural values, and societal needs. Various disciplines like architecture, urban planning, engineering, and landscape design contribute to the creation and development of the built environment. These disciplines aim to create functional, aesthetically pleasing and sustainable spaces that accommodate and enhance human activity. However, the built environment can also have significant environmental, social, and economic impacts. Issues such as urban sprawl, pollution, lack of accessibility, and inadequate infrastructure can arise when the built environment is not carefully planned and managed. Efforts are being made to design and develop the built environment in a way that promotes sustainability, resilience, and inclusivity. This includes considering factors like energy efficiency, green spaces, public transportation, walkability, and accessibility for people of all abilities. Overall, the built environment shapes our daily life and has a profound influence on our well-being, productivity, and quality of life. So that's all about our today's topic. I hope you like it. So bye. Meet you next time in my next another video. Please share my YouTube video to others and subscribe, like. Bye.